Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe. This is the reading for the month of May 2020 for the zodiac Libra. Okay, let's start with your reading, but before that I just want to tell you, if you want to support my channel, the details are given in the description box below. Uh, if you want to book one-on-one reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to support with the help of donation, the details are given of the PayPal and Google Pay in the description box below. The third most important thing, if you want to enroll for 10 days online tarot learning workshop where certificates are also included, so the details are given in the description box below. The fourth most important thing is that we are giving Vasol giveaways for the month of May. The winners will be announced in the first week of June. Okay, so the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's check it out. What are your current energies, guys? Okay, I am taking out 9 cards: the past, the present and the future. Okay, I see there was a connection in the past where you walked away from a connection. Okay, in the past, and you thought that you will handle your emotions, okay, nicely. You will really handle it with maturity. Okay, but and you are very sure about this connection. You just wanted that, yeah, okay, if this is not working, let's move on. Okay, so you walked away from a connection in the past. Okay, and in the current situation you are going through four of swords. That means analyzing, thinking, contemplating, going through some internal healing, internal transformation, and thinking about yourself. Previously in the past you didn't, you were not giving that much of time to yourself. Okay, and after this breakup, after this emotional heartbreak, okay, in the present situation you are feeling very broken, and that's why you decided to give time to yourself. Okay, healing yourself, analyzing yourself, thinking about yourself, giving yourself your the best priority you can. Okay, and yeah, I feel that in the past, I think, I'm getting a message where I feel that this connection took place just because of the fact to change you. Okay, this was a spiritual connection, and actually God helped you to enter into a relationship where after this breakup or after this heartbreak, you can step up with yourself, and take decisions for yourself, give yourself a priority, make yourself a priority. And you are just like in the current situation also, I'm thinking that you have gone through some internal healing, internal transformation, whereas in the past you were not. Okay, so you are going through some internal healing, internal transformation. Okay, see, and you are just focusing on yourself. You are being highly intuitive when it comes to your decisions, your inner ability, inner thinking. Okay, you are thinking about yourself when it comes to your materialistic world, also waiting for finances, building up the finances. See, a tarot moment happened where one you walked away from a relationship, and now that actually happened just for the sake that you can heal yourself internally, choose yourself over everything. Okay, taking yourself, taking the time to trust yourself, thinking about yourself. Okay, yeah, demolishing of a bad situation or a cycle, and establishing, going for a new beginning, new cycle, new life, where you can just make yourself a priority, even if it's the past connection. But first you need to heal yourself, and that was just not a normal connection in the past. Okay, I feel that that was a spiritual connection. Okay, and yeah, that was a spiritual connection where it entered just to teach you some lessons, and currently you are going through some healing, taking your time to contemplate, take decisions, take decisions wisely, thinking about yourself. Okay, so yes, you went through a lot of you, I feel, in the past you were like, if this relationship doesn't work, let it be, I will move on, okay. But you went through a lot of sadness, worries, heartbreak, sleepless nights, okay. And now you're healing from that currently, okay. And that was an spiritual connection, because this, the Hierophant tells me that it is a long term commitment. It was a long term commitment. You never thought about it, but actually it turned out to be like that, okay. And you walked away, but there is something more waiting for you guys. You are, you're releasing all those energy of daydreaming, thinking about that person. Yes, see, Two of Cups in reverse. Yeah, you want this connection, but yeah, you're healing from it, thinking about yourself, making yourself a priority. So that's really good. Yeah. And I feel in the current situation, your person is regretting that they left away, or they couldn't stand up for your rights, okay. They felt really bad that they couldn't take action for this relationship, for this commitment, to make it a stable. That was the problem, okay. Yeah, your person is regretting like hell, okay. They are contemplating, thinking a lot, that they would have made an action, but they couldn't, okay. And now they are sad, they are worried, thinking about self analyzing themselves, okay. Yeah, thinking to make a decision when it comes to moving forward in their life, okay, that person, okay. So yeah, is the present thing, that they are regretting their decision, that they couldn't took a stand for right and wrong, okay. And they couldn't stand up with you when it comes to decision making, which is a bad thing for sure, okay guys. So yeah, let's check it out. What are the upcoming immediate future for you guys, for Libras, for the month of May 2020? Let's check it out. See, Three of Cups. There is a reunion, reconciliation. I feel that, there might not be, you guys might not have be married, okay. This relationship was just because of the fact that, it's a kind of a spiritual connection. That person entered, some shit happened into your life, and they moved away, or you walked away, because that person couldn't take an action for you, okay. And you were like, if he cannot take an action right now, what he will do in the upcoming future, okay. How he will spend the rest of the life with me, okay. And in the upcoming future, there is an offer coming again from this person, okay. A lot of clarity and communication he is gaining, and he is coming up with an offer, he or she, whosoever it is. And a reconciliation or a reunion when it comes to your relationship is taking place for you guys, okay. Yeah, that person is releasing all the, if there was any third party situation, um, they are releasing it. If there was heartbreak, sadness, or pain in the connection, they are releasing it for sure, okay. Yes, they want a commitment with you, they want a long term commitment with you when it comes to getting married or being into a relationship for long term. So they really want a long term commitment with you, okay. And but your feeling is that you want to be independent, stable, financially single, and want to be stable when it comes to financial matters. You are just focusing on yourself, thinking about yourself, taking an action for yourself, not giving a fuck about anyone's advice, about anything, for sure. Yes, Queen of Cups in reverse. So yeah, you are no more thinking, no more nurturing about the stupidity you did in the past, no more giving. I feel that you are turning your back when this connection will be arriving towards you. You will be turning your back. You won't be giving a fuck about this person or this connection, for sure, okay. See, Ten of Cups in reverse. You are just turning your back. You just want to move forward, thinking about yourself, and won't be accepting this offer. Or else, if you are accepting, there will be terms and conditions. But I feel you won't be accepting until and unless things doesn't get healed. I think you are still going through some healing currently, and in the upcoming future, maybe in the end week between 21st of May to 30th of May 2020, there will be some sort of offer will be coming from this connection for sure. Queen of Wands, you are standing into your own power, taking your own decisions, thinking to start up with your own business or switching off a job or being into your own power, stability when it comes to your financial matters. Okay, taking a decision, taking your decision to move forward from this connection, and thinking about yourself, focusing on yourself, working on yourself. Yeah, this person is still coming. A lot of stuck energy is currently for you guys, but in the upcoming weeks you are releasing all this stuck energy and you are moving forward. But I am still going to tell you that this is a spiritual connection, and I feel that God has given you this connection just for the fact that I feel that this person really entered, they left you heartbroken. You didn't thought that you will be heartbroken, but actually you did. You were feeling heartbroken, emotionally unfulfilled, and now when you are thinking about yourself, taking your making yourself your priority, moving yourself further when it comes to your financial matter, stability, independence, freedom into your life, now they are coming back into your life. Yeah, they are coming back because they are going through some healing process. You have healed individually, they have healed individually. Okay, so they have come up with a big realization, whether I feel, whereas you have realized that no one will support you, you have to support on yourself, you have to take care of yourself in this life, and they have come in a realization that they cannot live without you, they want you in their life in the upcoming weeks. Okay, so and they will be making an offer towards you, towards this connection for the same. Okay, and that's why they are ending up the third party situation, or else if that was not a third party situation, they are ending something around them. Okay, why they were not accepting you, or why couldn't they took action in the past. Okay, so they are ending that kind of energies around them. Okay, they want collaboration, they want to be with you. Yeah, so they are thinking to take this relationship forward with the Three of Pentacles. They want to move forward with you, in collaboration with you. They want to collaborate this this energy with you for sure. Okay, so that's what I feel, that yeah, they want a long term commitment for you guys. Okay, they are moving away from lot of negative energies around them, and they are coming up towards you. Yeah, moving away from deception, lies, dishonesty, or the people around them. They want an equal give and take into a relationship, and that's why they are coming back, because they have realized that you were the correct person for them, you were the right person for them. They are standing into their own power, they are taking an action, they are being into their own power, but at the same time you are turning your back and moving forward. And I don't know what this relationship will bring in the month of June, because energies keeps on changing, and I also feel that they have come into a realization just because of the fact that there's a full moon on 7th of May, and there's new moon on the 22nd of May. So between 7th to 22, there is a lot of healing will be going on, lot of realization they'll come through, and in the from 22nd of May to 30th of May, they might take some sort of action towards you for sure. Okay guys, so I hope you like this reading, I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and also I'm doing live sessions on my Facebook page, Vasol Tarot Prediction, on daily basis every single day. Kindly follow me on Facebook. Okay, and you can ask me their specific question. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. And if you want to donate via PayPal and Google Pay. The details are given in the description box below. And if you want to learn tarot, kindly enroll. The details are given in the description box below. Yes, I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more important thing, however, it is a general reading, and kindly like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below Vasol hashtag giveaway, okay, for gaining Vasol giveaways packages, okay. So yes guys, thank you so